Hi guys, looking to save money and yet have one of the best products as far as golf is concerned? Well, if you're looking for a golf bag, we at IndianGolfShop.com are very proud to introduce these Masters imported golf bags. They're very lightweight. Here, you can just see it. I can lift it with one finger. It has all the features that a premium bag would have: 14 dividers, ample of pockets, a strap. It fits into any golf cart. And the best part of these bags, they're economical. They're not expensive at all. 11,000 bucks is the MRP. We give you a deal on it. Buy the Masters golf bags from IndianGolfShop.com, my friends.